Oh, as icy as I guess. Hey guys, welcome back. So I thought we'd bring the Fayee FY003-1 ready to run straight out the box out on the trail. We've got James here today as well. He's out with his new FTX Fury, so he's testing the ropes on that. So yeah, I thought I'd bring a nice easy rig to bring out straight out the box, no messing around. So it comes with a 180 motor, fully proportional 5-wire servo, really nice anti-bump steer mechanism. I'll have to right there. Let me show you guys that. So if you see it there, look at that mechanism. There's no bump steer whatsoever. Full light kit, comes with a nice big, I think it's a 1300 milliamp hour battery. And what really sets it off, sorry, is the slow control factor that you get with the stock electronics. I'm having trouble trying to clip this back in now. There we go. So yeah, on the transmitter, a little big for one-handed steering, so I made an adapter. We've got throttle trim, which is actually throttle dual rates, and I've got that turned down to 1 at the moment. And steering trim, nice big on and off button, nice foam on the wheel, but I can't reach it. And yeah, this is probably the best ready to run model out currently. So yeah, let's hit the trail. So you can go really nice and slow with these ready to run electronics, straight out the box. It's probably the best handling rig on the market currently. Nice big super soft wheels, and yeah, this thing can handle the trail pretty well. And nice and slow and controlled here. A nice waterfall spot coming up. Here's a really nice waterfall line. James and his FTX Fury got up that earlier, went straight up it. On my little budget trail truck here, straight at the box I'm going to come down. Slow and steady. There is no ESC brake, so you just got to tap reverse just to keep the control there. Oh, as icy as I guess. Down she goes. Come through the icy bog. Really do like the control factor I'm getting with this. Really nice and sensitive and smooth. I've got the throttle rates turned to low, and that is pinned. That is full speed and the throttle rates on low. Yeah, it doesn't, even on 1 you're still getting lots of power, but then when you floor it, you're not getting that turn of speed. If you turn it right up, this is quite a fast little truck. So I reckon we're going to topple coming down here. Let's try. Oh, save. So my C54 with Res 3 electronics managed to do this line, but today honestly the ground is icy and slippery. We'll give it a go with a little Fayee straight out the box. It was a very tricky line, steep for lots of slippery roots. And that down. On the wheels now, you see it's not hooking up there. Try and avoid that, maybe come across. Oh wow, and we're up. Oh, halfway there. Still got to get up to the top of here. Oh, nicely done, Fayee. I'm well impressed, fair play. That was a tricky little line. And this thing is straight out the box, just conquering the trail. So James made a nice big bog there with his Fury. He's been blasting through that. and I found a nice little line alongside it for the Fayee. Really nice little line. The perfect amount of mud and water for my little scale trail truck. And we're coming back up then to the tree line. Really slippy today, but those wheels hanging on perfectly. Up she goes. Slow and steady. If these electronics had a little engine brake, they would be perfect. They handle really well. It's just you've got to be very quick there and tap in reverse just to slow the truck down to keep it controlled on the descents. Now that was an extreme case on normal hills. It's not too bad. It's quite a nice little technique of just tapping forward to get it rolling and then tapping reverse to slow it down. As always guys, gotta have this little tree line in a video, and yeah, the Fayee should take it on easy peasy. Really nice control, straight through. Let's bring her back. Blends in nice with the leaves, this orange body colour. So back through. It's not as challenging, but still tricky. Oh. Big boy stepping in. He's blindfolded at the wheel. Oh, not a problem. Such a big truck as well. That's quite a little tight little line there, isn't it? Austin Powers 93-point turn. There he is. Yeah, it's nice. What's that going here? A hobby wing, is it?
Yeah.
Really nice control again out of that today. Gosh, beautiful. James is very happy. He's taken some very tricky lines with that Fayee today. But still very impressed with this little budget critter. As you know, that's what the channel's all about, guys. So if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. There's new content every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Just a little taste of this little critter on the trail today. And I'll catch you on the next one.